right, we are essentially at the end of Ocean City right now. This is Inlet Park here, and we came across some flooding. So there's a pump in the water right there, trying to just get this water back out into the ocean. We got the ocean over there. This next band is coming in. You can see the rain and the wind starting to pick up. And then this way is the bay. The storm surge is definitely evident down here, and you can see the flooding. This is kind of the worst flooding that we've seen so far. But again, that next band is coming in, so of course flooding is one of the biggest concerns here.